Are you torn between Webflow and Bubble? You're not alone. Today, we'll compare these two powerful tools to help you decide which one is right for you. Both Webflow and Bubble let you build websites and apps without needing to code. They make it easy for anyone to create a stunning online presence, but they have different strengths. Let's start with Webflow. This tool is great for designing websites. It focuses on visual design, allowing you to create beautiful layouts. Webflow gives you control over every detail from fonts to animations. It's perfect for designers who want to showcase their work. Now, let's talk about Bubble. Bubble is all about building web applications. It provides a platform where you can create complex logic and workflows. If you need to build a functional app with user accounts and databases, Bubble has you covered. It's ideal for entrepreneurs looking to launch a startup. So, what are the key differences? Webflow excels in design, while Bubble shines in app functionality. If you want a visually appealing site, Webflow is the way to go. But if you need a robust application, Bubble is your best bet. When it comes to features, Webflow offers responsive design tools and CMS capabilities. Bubble, on the other hand, has a powerful backend and API integrations. Both tools have their unique offerings, so it depends on your needs. Pricing can vary. Webflow has different plans based on features and usage. Bubble also has tiered pricing depending on the app's complexity and traffic. Both can be affordable, but it's best to check their websites for specifics. In the end, if you're focused on design, choose Webflow. If you are looking to build a full-fledged application, go with Bubble. Each tool has its own strengths, so pick the one that fits your project best. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.